Yo guys, what is going on? And thank you for checking out the video. Why am I not wearing a shirt? Why do you care? Anyways, today we're heading up to New York City for the Megaride, or the mini ride, hosted by my boy, Jay Styles. So we're gonna ride up to New York real quick, just for the day ride. See a lot of people that I already know, meet some new people. So we got the Telaria ready, all packed. Sorry, Kitty, you can't come, but guys, let's hit the road. Meow. All right, guys, we got the bike all loaded up. Got my dress shirts right there. But this is the beauty of the minivan, seriously. It's just a Mazda 5 with no seats. I literally just roll the bike right in here, and it works phenomenally. I don't even need to strap it down or anything, and we just close it up and drive away. Whew! Okay, guys, we're in New York City. We got A-Rob rides here. Ryan and Gayton and Dom and them are over there too, but we're gonna go head over to the Meetup spot. I think there's gonna be a lot of Rons. Speak of the devil. Yeah, what up? What's up, boys? What's up, dude? How we doing? Good to see you. What's up, buddy? How we doing? Good to see you. What's up, dog? How we doing? What's good, bro? Mr. Ben. Jay Styles on the mic. All right, we outside. We got a pretty good pack out here. Ryan's gonna intro this. Go ahead.
Nah, he's got it.
Dom's got. You guys, why don't you duet it?
So we're in New York. I don't even know where we're at right now. We're about to go for a ride. Yeah, about to burn this bum up. Yeah,
all right, we'll see it. All right, and we are outside. Yeah, what's good? How you doing, bro? And we're outside in New York City. Brooklyn to be exact. Hopefully my brake bracket holds up. It is all messed up. The nub on the swing arm that the caliper mount goes into is just properly messed up. So hopefully we're good. Gotta watch the wheelie chasers. We are all pretty close together, I'll say that. Hopefully we get to some little more open areas here. Oh, the sweat is getting into my eyes and I can't see. It burns. Oh, I smell halal and it smells so good, bro. I want halal so bad. Oh, New York City is hot. I'm thirsty and hungry, but we're riding, so that'll quench our hunger and thirst. Decent sized pack though. All right, who should our next victim be at this late? What's up?
You running my Lura?
Yeah, I just put it on. It's way better than stock.
Yeah.
Oh no, you have the Dominion and one Magura and one Dominion. It's not bad. I like the lever too. Yeah, guys, so I have no idea where this ride is even going to. I think we're just going up and then back down, sort of to where we started, but I assume it's primarily Brooklyn and not Manhattan, because apparently it's been pretty hot in terms of the cops, so. But it's also very hot temperature-wise, in case you're wondering. guys. Just look at this. Wheelies, all the same people with the same passion, wheeling together. Pretty cool. Hey, ride leader, I want to see a wheelie. Come on. Yay! Get up on the curb. Oh, I remember this bridge. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. Ain't gotta say it, I know I'm the one you like. Oh damn, tell the DJ turn the beat up. Got a white boy who be singing like a beetle. Claim she getting bread, but I heard she doing keto. I don't do drugs, I'm smoking a little weed. She's so hard from the paper, they just think it's sweet. I'ma show them now later. I be getting money in the record. I hear brick calls and I never get his kicker. I'm a fucking dirt boys that are Moses in the paper, get you later. Total in the Addy and a stay up. Bitches out here mad, so I'm assalamu alaikum. Hear that bitch 5'5", she don't even wanna make up. What you wanna do? Tell me what you want. What you want. Alright, new battery in. We're at this little stunt spot. Finally. Ooh, error. It says error 12. Alright, shout out Dave, Surround Maryland. We're on his Ultra. He's got the EBMX X9000 on it. This is definitely going to be my next bike. Oh yeah, I can't wait to get an Ultra B. It's definitely gonna be my next bike, and I'm gonna go give it back to Dave because it looks like we're leaving. It's so perfect, dude. It's so perfect, dude. Thanks for letting me ride it. All right, and we're out over the bridge. It was a fun game to play. Where's your key at, bro? Oh, I was thinking it was gonna be right there. What? Wait, do you have a key? Motherfucker, I was gonna turn it off. God damn it! You can't do that. What is it, stolen? Who am I? I don't know. Who are you? I just met you. Get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna hang right here. I'm just gonna play with some stuff. What's your name? What's your name? Connor. 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 Like the fighter. What's your name? Like the fighter, Conor McGregor. Yeah. What's your name? Lorenzo. Lorenzo, very, very, that's... They didn't give me the clip. They didn't, no. Oh no! I screwed him. What happened, dude? Why'd your bike stop? Does it take like 5 seconds to turn on then?
No, they never gave Giovanni the clip that goes into the diagnostic. I got a paper clip with electrical tape.
Bruh, alright, I won't turn it off again.
It won't start unless I push it in.
Alright, now that I know that. Dude, I would have felt bad if I did that and then you just got like ran right into. The funny thing about New York here is how everyone just records all of us when we're in these huge packs, like right here. I wonder how many random iPhone videos I'm on. Guys, I just did like the slowest 5-minute wheelie I've ever done, just slowly on these streets. I do think my bike is hot or something because it doesn't seem to be fully activating the power. Oh, he is control. He is control.
Oh, I love you, Connor!
Oh my God! Oh, blocks. Oh my God! Sheesh! Killing it on whatever that thing is called. He said it hits just like an Ultra. It's got motor brakes and all too. Let me get a good look at that. Oh yeah. You literally just did that when I pulled up. Damn. That's tough. Thank you, everybody. We are coming through. At least you can just turn the key back on.
You want me to turn off your bike?
Woo, woo. Oh, gotta be quicker than that. Dude, I was waiting for you to wheelie off it. Gonna snatch your watch. All right, watch this. I'm just the sniper of the keys. I wanna hold your hand. What if I just made us both crash right there? I told you I'd get you. What do you think of the ride, A-Rob Rides? Dude, no drama. Only wheelies.
But again, like I said, thank you guys for coming. We have tonight ride 4 at Joker's Garage.